Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Madam AFIDA and my beloved other classmates. So today, I would like to present on our presentation, which is integrity role in total quality setting and organization roles in promoting ethical behavior. Moving to the next slides, which is the table of contents. First table of contents, which is introduction, explaining the role that integrity plays in total quality setting and the organization's role in promoting ethical behavior. For the second, integrity role in total quality setting. It is integrity crucial in the total quality setting of an organization. For the third, organization roles in promoting ethical behavior, which is ethics is a moral philosophy that studies the right and the wrongdoing. Or the conclusion, total quality management is an improved version of a quality management. Moving to the next slide, which is firstly, introduction. Introduction. Total quality management is an important aspect of every company, whether public and commercial. It is to guarantee that the service are delivered successfully. Total quality management is a way, including management and the employees, in the continual improvement for product and service production. It is a set of a quality management solution targeted by the boosting sales and decreasing losses caused by inefficient procedures. Next, which is, as a Tom Peters says, almost all quality improvement come via simplification of a design, manufacturing, layout, processes, and the procedures. To the next slide, which is integrity role in total quality setting and organization roles in promoting ethical behavior. As you may seen, this is a Polis di Raja Malaysia. This is an example of an integrity role in total quality setting. So which can see, this police is delivered a good total quality setting, which is implementing the integrity role in every department, in every employees, in other policemen. So moving to the next slide, which is integrity role in total quality setting. Integrity is crucial in the total quality setting of an organization, especially in the public sector organization. It shows the quality of an individual in an organization for being honest and upright. So according to the former president of the Malaysia Institute of Integrity, an organization should have honesty, truthfulness, trustworthiness, accountability, transparency, efficiency, and wisdom. So that's on my part for today. I would like to thank you.
Hello, my name is BRYANNSHINE SIMSON. My student ID is 2021130869. And I will share with you guys what is actually organization roles in promoting ethical behavior. So let us take a look first at organization. What is actually an organization? Okay, organization is actually a group of people that work in hierarchical work environment that work towards the same goals. So basically, it is a group of people that works towards the same goals in a hierarchical work environment. So there are top manager and middle manager, lower manager, as well as there are also, of course, their employees. So what is actually the roles in promoting ethical behavior? So the first one, we take a look at the top manager. Top manager should become a good role model in work because everyone will look up to them, which is from the employees to the lower manager and to the middle manager. They are all look up to this top manager, so that it is the responsibility of top manager to take care of how they act in the organization, so that they get a good result from their employees. And the second one is the middle manager. Middle manager is giving a work to the lower manager to be delegates to the employees. So it is important for the middle manager to provide a good training to the employees and to the lower manager, so that the ethical behavior can be really good in an organization. So the third one is lower manager. Lower manager is important to supervise the work of the employees, to oversee what happens, how the employees do their work. If there is a complaint, and the lower manager will supervise them, will be responsibility to the wrongdoing of their employees in an organization. For example, like in McDonald's, when we order some food and what we order is not the same as what we are been given to, and we will complain to the supervisor, and of course the employees will be really scared about it. So they are really concerned about their quality. So the next one is the employee. So the manager already plays a big role in taking care of the employees' ethical behavior. So now it is the responsibility for the employees to take care of their self. So the first one, they must have the customer related values, which is referring to courtesy, humanity, kindness, efficiency, and responsibility promptly to meet customer needs. And secondly, they should have a core personal values, which is from within for themselves, which is sincerity, trust, self-discipline, commitment, cooperation, and restraint. And this element is really important to the organization, as well as to create a good quality management in the organization. As the conclusion, quality is a very crucial aspect to be achieved and maintained in an organization. The total quality management is an improved version of quality management. So basically, the goals of public sector is the government aims to serve the interests of the public. So it is very important for the public sector employees to take care of their ethical behavior so that the reputation of the organization is good. Because every time, from my observation, people will compare between public sector hospital and private sector hospital. So people will compare the quality of the work of the employees in the public sector and the private sector hospital. So they say that in public sector, the worker is not friendly like in the private sector. And I think this is something to do with the ethical behavior, so that the quality of the service provide really well. So it is important, and ethical is really important parts in the organization to improve the quality of the organization, especially to the public sector as well as to the private sector. And it is a very effective organization maintain ethical behavior. Next, we know it is effective when the organization maintain an ethical behavior, so that the quality of the organization can be enhanced or can be maintained from the top management until to the employees. Last but not least, an organization have the responsibility to maintain ethical behavior. We know the ethical behavior will not consistent over time, because people will act based on the mood, and every people have their own characteristic. But there are various steps to be taken by the organization, especially for the human resource, to provide a training to the employees to improve the ethical behaviors, because everyone should know the importance of ethics and ethical conscience in general. So there is always a room to continue enhancing employees' awareness of ethics and integrity in an organization, to further develop employees' ethical consciousness, so that they can serve the community well as a social responsibility. That's all from me.